how to insert a watermark on Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then head over to the 9 dots in the top right and open up your slides. Now, once the slides uh, open up a presentation. And then what you need to do is you need to go to insert in the top ribbon bar. So go to insert and then insert a word art and then put in your watermark name. I'll just write in watermark, hit enter. Now I'll go to the fill color and you can change the color according to your wish and then make sure you make it transparent. So then go to format options and then you can adjust the size and rotation like this, or you can just move around the cursor yourself and then go to position, and you can also change the position, center, top left. You can go to drop shadow and then you can increase or decrease the opacity, increase or decrease the angle, and even the distance if you want to create a shadow like effect. Then you can make it smaller as well and place it anywhere of your choice. And now once you like it, you can just right click on the slide and then duplicate slide and keep working with this watermark. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.